Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in Georgia. This is super helpful because if you do it the right way, you avoid delays, extra fees, and any confusion at the DMV. The good news is it's really easy once you know what to check and what to bring. So first, before you buy the car, look at the title and make sure the VIN on the title matches the VIN on the vehicle. This is just a safety check. Also, look at the odometer section and make sure it makes sense. Check if the title says salvage and check if there are any liens listed. So a lien means the owner had a loan on the car and it needs to be cleared. If it's cleared, there should be a lien release signature in the area. Now, the biggest thing to remember here is the seller needs to print and sign the title. That is the one thing you absolutely need before you leave with a car. A bill of sale is optional, but it can help. At the very least, it's smart to get a photo of the title and both the buyer and seller's driver's licenses just so you have a record. And when you flip to the back of the title, it may look confusing, but most of it does not apply if you're buying from a private seller with no liens. So the main part that you care about is the transfer section. So to keep it safe and avoid mistakes, you can have the seller print and sign, then fill out the rest at the DMV. If you mess up details like the transfer date, it can cause fees to correct it. The rest of the info is simple: date of transfer, buyer name and address, your signature and printed name, and the odometer reading. If the odometer is marked exempt on the front, you can write exempt in that section too. And before you go to the DMV, you need a proof of insurance. So this feels backwards, but you have to insure the car before the title transfer. You only need the VIN and vehicle info to get insurance. So do that right after you buy the car. At the DMV, bring the signed title, proof of insurance, and your driver's license. You also pay a tag transfer fee and an ad valorem tax, which depends on the vehicle value. After the transfer, they'll give you a new plate and you can put it on right there. So your new title should come in the mail in about a week or two and you can drive the car while you're waiting. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.